Sonos plans to launch Apple TV-like streaming box. Sonos is developing a high-end streaming set-top box that's expected to launch this year, reports The Verge. While any set-top box will compete with the Apple TV, Sonos plans to price its upcoming device at $200 to $400, which would make it notably more expensive than the Apple TV. According to The Verge, the hardware is a nondescript black box that's slightly thicker than a deck of cards, with an included remote control. It'll run a version of Android, but Sonos has developed a beautiful interface. The set-top box will offer content from Netflix, Max, Disney+, and other streaming services in a unified software experience that supports universal search. Sonos is said to be aiming to reduce the fragmentation of the streaming ecosystem, and the set-top box will be equipped with Sonos voice control. Apple has tried to do something similar, and Siri is able to provide content suggestions from a range of services. Sonos set-top box will double as an HDMI switch, and it has HDMI ports with pass-through functionality. Users will be able to plug in gaming consoles, sound bars, and other devices. The device solves a latency problem that has long annoyed Sonos, and it will prevent TVs from experiencing audio sync delays with Sonos-branded sound bars. For Sonos users who have Sonos speakers but not a sound bar, the set-top box will allow for the configuration of a surround sound system with Sonos devices. It will also support Wi-Fi 7 and offer gigabit Ethernet. Sonos struggled in 2024 after a disastrous app launch that ultimately led to Sonos CEO Patrick Spence stepping down, so the company needs a win in 2025 to restore its reputation. Sonos did not have much luck with its Sonos Ace headphones that came out around the time the app was refreshed, but the Arc Ultra soundbar that launched late last year received better reviews.